Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to schedule Instagram Reels in 2023. Instagram Reels are a powerful way to engage your audience with short and creative videos. Scheduling your Reels can be a game changer, allowing you to reach your followers at the most optimal times without having to post in real time. So this step-by-step guide will show you how to schedule your Instagram Reels effortlessly. So make sure to stick by and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. First, let's start by opening whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually going to use the Brave browser, and of course in your case you can use any other browser that you could possibly have. Once you open that browser, of course, let's just to schedule, of course, your Instagram Reels, you will need to use a reliable social media scheduling tool that supports Instagram Reels. There are some several options or third-party tools that are available that can integrate with Instagram and off scheduling or offer scheduling features. Some popular option includes like Letterhood Suits, Buffer, and Sprout Social. You can choose the one that best fits your need and sign up for an account. So let me show you those three options and you can choose from for yourself. So there's Later, Suits, on the first link. There is Buffer, and there is, as I said, if I remember, Sprout Social. Yeah, so Sprout Social and hit the enter button. So you can go to the first link of every one of them, and as you can see, you can go and check the pricing of every one of them. So of course, as you can see, every tool has a lot of plans. It might be a bit expensive. So as you can see, this is a bit pricey, and you can go and compare the features from here down below. You can even see the features from here. Depending on whatever suits you, of course, you can go and sign up an account on whatever tool that you want. So as you can see, this is for Sprout Social. It's a bit pricey also, as you can see, but it includes a lot of features. But for Buffer here, as you can see, they will have a free plan. It will not have a lot of features, but it still work to schedule your posts or your reels, depending on whatever suits you in Instagram. So for you, if you have an account, make sure to go and click on login. If you don't have an account, click on start my free plan or click on get started here instead of like getting your free trial on one of those plans. As you can see, even if you want to upgrade the plan, it's not that pricey as the other options. So for me, I'm just going to click on login here because I already have my account logged in into it. And once you do so, if it's your first time, of course, you'll have to go and connect your first channel, then create your first audio and publish your first post. So as you can see, I have here my TikTok connected already. I can go and add the channel. For the free plan, you'll not be able to add more than 3 channels. So just keep that in mind. If you want to add more channels, you'll be able to, but you'll have to go and upgrade to a feature. You can even start your 14-day free trials if you want to. So as you can see, you can even go and download the app for iOS, Android. You have some browser extension, Remix by Buffer, Zapier integration, and integrations in general. So for us, as we said, we would like to connect our Instagram account. So you can simply click here and make sure to authenticate with Facebook. So wait, why do I have to authenticate with Facebook? Because Facebook requires Instagram business or creator account to be connected to a Facebook page. For Buffer to work as intended, we need to authenticate through Facebook. So what's happened next? Once we transfer you, you'll have to sign into your Facebook profile that has admin permission for the Facebook page connected with your Instagram account. You can check our Instagram connection guide from here if you don't know how, but it's going to be pretty simple. You don't even need this guide. So for me, I'm just going to click authenticate with Facebook, and I guess I have an account or a problem with my Facebook account at the moment, not Instagram, but it's not going to be a big deal. So you can simply go and connect your Instagram account from here. And once you do so, you can simply go and click on accounts or icon at the top right corner. Once you do so, of course, from here, you'll have to go and as you can see from this calendar right here, you'll be able to choose the time that you want to schedule the post on into. So as you can see, today we are at the Monday 24th, and we can schedule it at the same time or at the same day at a different time or another day. Of course, not just even this week. As you can see, you'll be able to do other weeks, even the next year if you want to. So once you choose your specific time that you want to, you can simply go and choose a time also. So as an example, let's just choose tomorrow at 8 a.m. or at 12 p.m. So click on add a post. Of course, the first block is just gonna be the first half hour, and second block will be second half hour. Or for buffer, normally it's gonna be like this, but for buffer, as you can see, we have 12 p.m. here and health 12 or 2 p.m. So this is gonna be 12, and this is gonna be 1 p.m. So this is gonna be 2, 3, 4, 5, and etc. So this goes with hour, not half of hour like other tools. So here's an example. I'm just going to click on add a post. And as you can see, they choose like TikTok directly because I have just TikTok connected. For you, once you have your Instagram connected, they will ask you if you want to like Instagram. Once you do so, you'll be able to simply go and add your video or picture or post or reel that you want to schedule on your Instagram. You can even choose a reel if you want to. So you can upload simply your real content, which is going to be normally a video, or you can do whatever you want with it. And after that, make sure to go and add some captions and hashtags. So after uploading your real content, add captions and relevant hashtags to make your content more discoverable and engaging. Remember to use hashtags that are relevant to your content and audience. As example, if it's gaming, hashtag gaming or hashtag games or something like that. So depending on whatever content you have. And you can even as example, add some emojis. You can even select some media from integrations like Dropbox, Google Drive, Google Photo, OneDrive, or AppSlash if you have like your video that you want to upload as a reel on one of those options right here. Maybe you have it in your Google Drive or something like that. And as you can see, you'll be able to find the schedule date that you choose from the calendar here. So you can click on schedule post or click on schedule draft. The schedule draft will allow you to review and schedule. So before like scheduling your reel, instead of clicking on schedule post, you'll be able to review all the details to ensure everything is in order. You can check the video captions, hashtag, posting dates. Once you're satisfied with everything, you can click on schedule post. So scheduling draft will let you review everything. And of course, make sure to, after scheduling your reel on the scheduling tool, a notification may appear on your connected device. So confirm that scheduling on Instagram by following the prompt and notification. You can even monitor the scheduling reels here by some analytics tool that can be provided by Buffer, especially if you have a premium plan. And after that, of course, you'll be able to engage with your audience. So as your schedule goes or reel goes live, on your Instagram profile, remember to engage with your audience by responding to comments and messages. Monitoring the performance of your reel will also help you refine your content strategies for your future posts. So that wraps up our guide on how to schedule Instagram Reels in 2023. Scheduling your Reels will allow you to maintain a consistent posting schedule and reach your audience at most opportune time. So by using a social media scheduling tool, you can streamline your content creation process and focus on delivering captivating reels that resonate with your followers. So happy scheduling and happy reeling. And if you liked the video, make sure to leave a like down below, subscribe for our channel for more helpful tutorials like this one. And of course, I'll see you in the next video. So thanks for watching.